friends, welcome back to simplyrhome, and in today's video I thought it would be super fun to share with you how I go about styling our coffee table various ways. Now if you are new, hi, my name is Amy and welcome. Here on my channel you're going to see tons of decorating. It is my true passion. I enjoy it so very much and I love sharing all my ideas with you all. You'll also see some DIY home projects that will involve my sweet hubby Scott, along with some cleaning motivation from time to time, as well as anything that pertains to homemaking. Now I'm a mama of two teens, Caleb and Elena, and we also have two adorable Shiba Inus, Nyla and Moko. So if that's something that you think that you would enjoy watching, I hope that you'll consider subscribing. All you need to do is hit that little red subscribe button down below. It is totally free and I would love to have you join me. I do hope that you enjoy today's video and that my tips and tricks for styling your coffee table are helpful. So let's go ahead and jump straight into decorating. As we begin today, I do want to mention that I have read and watched many tutorials on how to style coffee tables, and I truly believe that there are no decorating rules per se, and that your decor should be a reflection of you and what you enjoy. So as we continue, just remember this is how I felt it was easiest to explain and organize. I hope you have fun trying out one of these methods. Just as the name implies, you're going to typically place a tray of some sorts in the center and build a circle arrangement. The easiest shown here is to incorporate a piece of greenery, and there you have it. Example number 1. Example number 2 is still using the circle formation, but we are not being so literal with the use of a circle. Here, I'm again grounding the vignette with a tray of sorts. As you see, it's a frame mirror. Then I added back the greenery along with a stack of books. Placing coasters among your decor makes the arrangement not only decorative, but functional as well. A candle atop the books activates your senses. This ambient lighting gives a cozy, calm feeling, and the lingering scent leaves the room with a refreshing experience. Next up is the rectangle formation. This is usually best but not always used primarily on a rectangle-shaped coffee table. To achieve this look, I'm placing a dark wooden dough bowl filled with greenery. A tip to remember is that if you have a light surface, try using dark pieces of decor to really make them pop. The same is true for dark surfaces. This really grabs your attention more. Next, I'm keeping it very simple and kid-friendly by using an assortment of battery-powered candles. Also, keeping a vignette shorter allows a better flow of conversation when you don't have to peek through or around taller decor. Moving right along, another way to style a coffee table is by using the equilateral triangle formation. Now this concept is similar to the circle formation by placing a taller decor item like I did here, but instead of stopping here, you're going to add symmetry to each side by adding matching decor items that are shorter than the centerpiece. Here I use these matching candle holders to achieve the equilateral triangle formation. This vignette creates a very balanced arrangement and tends to look a bit more formal. Now you don't always have to use identical decor pieces on each side to create the equilateral triangle formation. In this example, I'm tweaking it just a bit, but still maintaining the overall concept. In this case, because I'm staggering the heights of the candle holders, the opposite side is still balanced by width, size, and color by adding the stack of books and shelf. As you can see, it still maintains the overall appearance of an equilateral triangle. In example number 6, we'll be using the right triangle formation, which is my absolute favorite. The idea is to start with a tall decor element, which in this case I'm using a pitcher with some florals. That is the main focal point, and then we will add decor to draw the eye downward on a diagonal. I'll add that same mirror as a tray, then to create height, I'll place a stack of books with the shell on top. I'm adding these farmhouse beads to further draw your eye down to the point of the triangle. Since this is my favorite way to style a coffee table, I'll show you a couple more ways to accomplish this look. Another tip when styling a coffee table is to remember to mix textures. Something smooth with something rigid or something shiny against something matte. Also try to incorporate decor that has a special meaning to you. It should create a story of what you like and you enjoy. Example number 8 is a little bit more geared towards having a friend over and creating a beautiful functional arrangement. Again, we're sticking to the right angle formation in this one as well. The tray, greenery, and candles set the stage for a peaceful, relaxing environment. This contrasts the elegant look that the teapot and china creates. To further enhance the rustic, comfortable vibe, this wooden riser makes the perfect base for this adorable teapot, as well as it becomes the tall focal point of the triangle. The small pops of yellow in the flowers lends another sense of cheerfulness to complete the vignette. I love sharing some godly encouragement, and today's Bible verse comes from Isaiah 53:5. But he was pierced for our transgressions, he was crushed for our iniquities. The punishment that brought us peace was on him, and by his wounds we are healed. Last but not least is the pyramid formation. This one has a tall center focal point with decor surrounding it on all 4 corners. Now this style will fill your coffee table space the most and is best for displaying all of your coffee table books. It creates an arrangement that invites others to touch the decor. Whether it is a photo album, game piece, or book, displaying items that entice an action creates a relaxed, lived-in, and very entertaining space. Okay friends, that wraps up today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed the different ways to style your coffee table. Definitely let me know if this was helpful and which one was your favorite. I think example number 8 was mine, just because it created a cute little story. I encourage you all to give it a try and really fill it with pieces that you love and that reflect your interest. Just play around with it. You can always change it if it doesn't suit you. If you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Remember to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it today and share it with someone you know. I hope that you have a blessed day. I thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you Friday for our spring home tour. Bye!